G'day guys. In today's video I've got a MacBook Air 13 2016 model, and what this one is currently doing is it's refusing to power up unless I either A, reset the SMC, or B, if I physically open it up and then disconnect the battery and then plug power in. Except it will start up once, and after it started once, it won't start again. So it will turn on once, when I'm finished using it, I'll shut it down, and it won't power up again unless I repeat the steps. Figure out if you leave the battery disconnected, you can keep doing that, and it will keep resetting the SMC every time you turn it off. But strangely, if you cannot power it on again, one thing I'm definitely looking at is replacing the trackpad connector. So this one was doing the exact symptoms I was describing. So I could disconnect the battery, plug the battery back in, plug the cord into it, and it would power up and work. But as soon as I turned it off, I couldn't get it to power again. So if you're experiencing those symptoms, look into replacing your trackpad connector. They are relatively cheap. They're pretty straightforward to replace if you can get into the bottom of it. Essentially, you would be undoing the battery. It's got 5 screws that go into it. I've just got it being held by one. Disconnect that, disconnect the battery, and lift it up, out. We will see we have the trackpad connector here, going from here over to the trackpad. So yeah, if you're experiencing weird issues where you can't get it to power on, or when you disconnect the battery or power on once and refuse to power on again, replace this. It's probably about a $10 part, if that. That could very well be the solution. So I hope this helps you, and I'll see you guys later.